cause they're giving it to you yard style. Yeah. I see the mangoes dancing, the sun is smiling at the sea, Jamaican people laughing, and reggae music so sweet. Oh, let it flow.
Welcome to another episode of Pree Dis. I'm your host, Michaela Leano. Today we're at the new Express Fitness Platinum Gym right here at Post Mall, Ligoni. Guess what? We have a lot for you in store today. We have entertainment, music videos. Let's invade the Express Fitness Platinum. It was the return of Hampton's Midnight Magic, sponsored by Remy Martin. The location was the Kingston waterfront. Candice was there, so let's check out the highlights.
So we decided to pre the official launch of Remy Martin 1738. The occasion was Midnight Magic, held at East End Harbour in Kingston.
So let us go and rock and get some liquor in your system. But I'll force somebody for dancing. And get to the mood, you know? Get to the mood. Nice one, easy. When my sister sang it, that's fine. Hey, bye.
I got it in my Rari. Hey, 17 shots, no 38. I got it in my Rari. 17 shots, no 38. Yeah, she's mine. Wonder when she'll be mine. She walked past like praise, rewind and see that. One more time, and I got this soda. Ruby boys, they know us. All fast money, no flash. Watch it fall slowly. Right now, still trying to get in.
Nice suits, by the way. Talk to me about what inspired this look for the Hamptons.
Alright, the Hampton is known as a party of elegance, but you have to be sharp with it. So it's something that you have to plan for. The Hampton is not just a normal party, it's a party that people look forward to every year. So I got inspired by the fact that it is a highly anticipated party, and I knew at that point in time that I needed to do something to be remembered by.
Hamptons is a premium event. CPJ is a premium company with very premium products. So it was a no-brainer. We just recently introduced the Remy Martin 1738 to Jamaica, and this was the perfect event to launch it. So that's exactly what we did, we launched it.
So what can persons at Hamptons expect from the Remy Martin brand, from the CPJ team tonight in regards to the new 1738?
I mean, it's all about ringing in Christmas. It's December 3rd, it's the month of Christmas. There's a Christmas tree out front, there's bottle specials, there's the most premium liquor anywhere. We have Loup Belair, we have Loup Belair Lux, we have Remy Martin 1738, we have Fiji water. You've never found Fiji water at an event. So we've brought out premium to this event, and it's working out really well for the patrons.
Every party is different. Not every party is a jump up, not every party is a slow down. So I have different sides to the parties that I'm playing at. This party is more formal. It's a launch of Remy Martin's new product in Jamaica. So when they step out, you have to step out with that same feel. It's that formal feel, it's that big people feel. So that's what we try to do in this type of party. Every party is different, and that is why I've remained so long in the business, because what I do is I conform to the party that I'm playing at.
We have partnered with Young Kings, the promoters of the Hamptons event, and they have been very consistent with their product, with his Hamptons and several other events. So we decided, why not use a local promoter to, of course, highlight Remy Martin 1738.
This was the star of Midnight Magic, the 1738 new authentic cognac being launched by Remy Martin. That's our Pree at Midnight Magic.
Christmas season and we advise all our road users to be safe on the road. Let's listen up to these road safety tips courtesy of our sponsor, Superior Parts Limited.
Here are a few road safety tips for pedestrians. Cross only at crosswalks or traffic lights. Make sure drivers see you before you cross. If the driver has stopped, make eye contact before you step into the road. Wear bright or light-covered clothing or reflective strips, especially when it's dark. At the traffic light, cross when traffic has come to a complete stop. Begin to cross at the start of the green light or walk signal where provided. Do not start to cross if you see a flashing do not walk symbol or the light turns yellow. If you've begun to already cross, complete your crossing in safety. Never cross on a red light. Watch for traffic turning at intersections or turning into and leaving driveways. These road safety tips for pedestrians were brought to you by Superior Parts Limited, making Honda affordable.
After the break, we hear from reggae artist Nesbeth, and Brett Icon is our talent on the rise this week. We'll be right back. Let me get this workout in.
Manufacturers of vehicles are not necessarily the manufacturers of parts. They outsource in places such as Japan, Thailand, China, Malaysia, Indonesia, or wherever it is most cost-effective to do so. Visit Superior Parts today for the widest range of genuine and non-genuine, new and used Honda parts in Kingston, Maypen, Mandeville, Mobay, and Ocho Rios. Telephone 929-4410 or 758-0830. Superior Parts Limited, making Honda affordable.
We a top man, we take charge. Magnum we drink out, we a shell down cars. Blast like a star with some a gallopar. Overdo it, we take it too far. Take charge, take charge.
We a hot gal, we set the trend. Magnum we drink for the top man them. Wine with the style, no stop from spend. Hot blend, back bend, and take charge, take charge. Ready for the video, we a prime time. Anywhere you see we go, we a headline. We back, we talk, we own waistline. Cut the cart, now we ready for the wine. Take charge, take charge.
You know how we be Magnum buckle. Slide and a glide and a bust big tackle. Big sound a rise and the whole place rockle. No, we turn up in a stock. Take charge, take charge. Overdo it, we take it too far.
Wine with the style. Wine with the style.
Magnum tonic wine for the real star them. Take charge, take charge. Magnum.